Hello there and welcome back. This is going to be another review video. So I have ordered another thing from the Pi-Hut website, and it's called Kitronik Arcade for MicroBit. And I have also ordered an additional MicroBit to test it out. And in this video we are going to see how they look like and how we can program it. So this is basically a handheld console. It needs 3 AA batteries, and you can pretty much load anything that you can program. And we will also see how we can use a Git repository which has many games prepared that you can use on this arcade. So let's see the unboxing. So what can we see in the box? So as usual we have our MicroBit, and we are going to remove the packaging. So this is how it looks like, and there are many different components that you can access with the designated ports. And here we have like a beeper and other, I think it also has some kind of gyroscope and different inputs. So that's the MicroBit, and we also have this nice little console. So technically what we have here are the usual buttons that allow us to control it or control the games that we program here. And here we have the slot for the 3 batteries. And when I hold it in my hand, it is pretty neat. I mean, it looks sturdy, so I would be willing to give it to a child even. And if we want to assemble it, we load the game here or whatever we have programmed and just slide it in there. And there we go. So that's basically how this looks like. And let's see how we can bring it to life. So we have to install the batteries. These are 3 batteries. And after we have loaded the program, we have this sliding button here, and we can power it on. Let's go to the PC.
Arcade. Good. So, sorry. Arcade.makecode and makecode.microbit are not the same. But here, we should be able to succeed. And let's try the jumping Matteo. It's like a Mario game. So drag and drop it here. Okay. Kitronik, we choose our hardware. Good. And we should download it. Okay. Now it is going to give us this hex file. And what we have to do is to go to the downloads and just simply copy paste it to the MicroBit machine. And once the copy is done, it will reboot. The machine or the computer will lose the connection. And then we should be able to use it in the arcade. But how does this game look like? So we have 3 different sections, 3, 4, 5 different sections. So we have an on start, which is basically a kickoff for this game, on game update and the function. And we also have on game option, and we have the button combination. Cool. Let's see.
All right, so let's see. if it turns on. And we have jumping Matteo. Usually with the A button you start the game, and then you can see it works. And it's more like a Mario game. Cool. Let's see another game.
All right, let's see another game. Which one should be? Concentration, food catching, Raptor Run. That's like the browser game. Okay, so do we have like a car race? A car. Sonic Run. The GIF. Okay, warehouse. That's not good. Quest of Heroes. Square Wars. No. WC Man. Mario browser level. Oh, let's see this one. So Arcade Mario browser level. So desktop, arcade games, arcade, FGH, Mario, arcade, GH, Mario browser level, make code arcade. Let's drag and drop it. Seems to be a little bit big. And now we should be able to download it. Code is being downloaded as a hex file. Good. Downloads. Copy. And paste. Then we are going to take a look at the game itself.
Alrighty, let's assemble it. So many times I fall into the mistake of pushing it like this and it just won't start. So you have to remember that it is supposed to face towards you. And then you slide it into the slot and then power it on. And here we are with the Mario game. Or not. Ah, there we go. Maybe I should reset it. Ah, yeah, so that was kind of a fail. But you have to experiment with this. No, it's something. Maybe the game is not for this one. Alright, third time is a charm. So here we have the airstrike. So that's the game. And we can control it. I think this can be a pretty fun way, although the screen is not for broad sunlight, but it's good. So game over.
So guys, all in all, I think this MicroBit arcade combo is a pretty decent console, and it's kind of a lot of fun just to bring it alive and play with these pixel games and have fun. And I would say that it could be a nice gift to someone geeky or a child who wants to get familiar with programming and stuff like that. So it's definitely a thumbs up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.